Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Zig, the programming guy. Today we are diving into whether Symphonic is the right choice for your music distribution needs. Let's break it down. Symphonic is a full-service music distribution platform offering a wide range of services including distribution, marketing, and royalty collection. They cater for independent artists and labels, aiming to provide the tools you need to succeed in the music industry. Symphonic stands out with several key features. First, they offer global music distribution to major streaming platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and more. They also provide advanced marketing services, sync licensing, and comprehensive royalty collection. Plus, their user interface is designed to be intuitive, making it easy to manage your releases. Now, let's talk numbers. Symphonic operates on a subscription-based model, starting at $19.99 per year for artists. You keep 85% of your royalties, while Symphonic takes 15%. This split is fairly competitive, but it's something to consider depending on your financial goals. Every platform has its strengths and weaknesses, so here's a quick rundown of Symphonic's pros and cons. On the plus side, you get access to a wide range of services, great support, and a user-friendly dashboard. However, the subscription fee might be a drawback for artists on a tight budget, and the 15% cut on your royalties, while fair, isn't the best in the market. User feedback is generally positive, with many artists praising Symphonic for its comprehensive services and responsive customer support. However, some users feel the platform could offer more features at lower price points. So, who is Symphonic best suited for? If you're an independent artist or label looking for a full-service distribution platform that offers more than just basic distribution, Symphonic could be a great fit. It's particularly ideal for those who are serious about music career and are willing to invest in a comprehensive solution. In conclusion, Symphonic offers a robust set of tools for artists and labels looking to take their music to the next level. While it might not be the cheapest option out there, the value it provides can worth the investment. But as always, weigh your opinions and consider what's best for your specific needs. Check out my other video to get a well-informed insights on other music distribution platforms. That's it guys, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Let us know in the comments if you've used Symphonic and what your experience was like. See you in the next video. Bye.